Hello again. Here we are back, and this is video 4A. Video 4 would have been too long if I'd kept them both together. Here we're going to continue on with where we left off. So again, a quick review. We've got the Q-Learning the agent for Q-Learning in here, and we've changed the states from 16 to 22. Otherwise, right now, that's exactly like what was for the Frozen Lake example. Let's go down here again. Actions, we change the actions to what the actions are going to be, what they're going to stand for. And then these two things stay the same. All this stays the same. Initializing QTable stays the same. The functions that get everything, that control everything, stay the same. And this can stay the same, just giving us one of the states. So here we have initializing states. Notice that because we have, this is initializing the environment, because we have 22 now, this first part puts them all to 0 is fine. However, the rewards, state 15 and 5, those are definitely going to change. So I can change those now. That's easy enough. We know state 12, where it goes off the right-hand side, is, well, let's make it a -10. What the heck? And this would be another trap state, actually. And we know state 0 off the left end is also a trap state. Let's make it a -10. We have a lot more to add here in the way of rewards, but we're going to do that in the next video. This is the state transitions function table, and this we need to add more to. It's only got 16 states now. We need to add up to 22. So we'll get to that here. That's what the second part of this video is going to be. Just want to point out then, because we changed the number of states up above, this function stays the same. Episodes part. Notice this is a start from a random state. That was for Frozen Lake, but for us, it's not true. We're actually starting in state 1 always. So we can change that. And then otherwise that stays the same. The while not done. So this is running all the episodes, 1,000 in this case right now. And the while loop here is actually running each episode. So it's checking here to see if should I do an exploration with a random action or exploit. What's the best action? That's defined by epsilon. Stays the same. Stays the same. There's the Bellman equation. Stays the same. On to the next state. All stays the same. And here's, I decide if we're going to end. Well, we're going to add more to here, but we know right now, certainly if we get into state 12 or state 0, which is off either end, we're going to want to end running the episode. There'll be more we have to add here also for our game, but we'll leave for now. Then here's where it changes the decay rate and runs another episode into the for loop. Okay, here's our other tables. This is the output table. All this does is print out the what the optimized table is, what they call the learn Q table here. And then these are the helper functions. Predict best action, it doesn't change. Find the max index, that doesn't change. And this is one of the ones that we had that Godot needed that not be provided a different way. Anyway, that's all the changes we're doing for all the easy ones, except we're going to go down back again and take a look here at the transition table. Make sure when you're copying stuff, you copy it correctly. Notice there's a comma at the end of the last one. And we want to get to 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. We need 7 more. So let's grab 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Going to copy those. Control C. Hit an enter. Put them on there. Release blank space. And let's see, we need to, this would be 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Did I miscount? We definitely only need 0 to 21. We don't need this one, so I'm going to get rid of it. Let's see, did I do something wrong here? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Only needed 6 more. Okay, we've got commas in the right places. We've now got 22 transition states available. Now we need to actually change these transitions. If you remember back at the game, given where we're at, if we're in state 1, if you think about it, if we jump left, we're going to end up in state 0. Excuse me, if we move left, we'll end up in state 0. If we jump left, we'll also end up in state 0. If we move right, we'll end up in state 2. And if we jump right, we'll end up in state 13. Let's go back and look at state 0 here. So state 0, that's falling off the edge here. It's actually going to stay in 0 all the time. So it's never going to get out of 0. So I got that one. Let's go on to state 2. Remember where state 2 is? That's the first box underneath the first platform. So if I'm in state 2 and I go left, I'll be in state 1. If I jump left, you have to decide this. Would it bump its head and stay in state 2, or would it go into state 1? I'm going to assume it made it to state 1. But you may want to do something different there. So I move right, I go to state 3. Continue to change that. And if I jump right, again, I bump my head, but maybe I make it. I'm at state 3. Okay, state 3, and so on. So I'm gonna jump ahead. Now you can get the idea. It's tedious, but you got to do it. So I'm going to go down to state 13. If I move left and drop back, this is where I'm on top of the. Whoops, got the wrong one there. 13. If I move left, I drop down onto the lower state, which was state 1. If I jump left, I also end up in state 1. If I move right, I end up in state 14. And if I jump right, again, I think I end up in state 14 again. 14 looks like, again, if I go left, I'm in 13. If I jump left, I'm in 13. If I move right, I'm in 14. If I jump right, I'm in 14. And so on. Keep on going. Let's go fix state 12, which is the other funny one off the other edge. It's 12, 12, 12, 12. I always stay in 12 because once I'm falling down, I can't get out of it. Anyway, you need to do all the rest of these. We'll come back and I'll have all these done when I show the next video. So that's it for about it for this video. I'm going to show you those states. We did all the other little changes. Video 5, we're going to continue on with this. Be sure to finish it. And then we're going to start doing the rewards. Save. Of course, if we try to run this, it's probably going to go nuts. Anyway, see you in a bit. Bye.